This is a consumer message from Gina, reloading from the hot pot. If you like videos like this, if you'd like to see good gun, gear, and accessory reviews, please consider to give a subscribe down here at the bottom. Maybe turn the bell notification on. Always give a like, and please share. Welcome back, my pupils. This is Gene coming to you with Reload from the Hot Pot. We're out here at my Midwest Shooting Center on the indoor range to do the first shots for the JXP 10mm Hi Point. I brought out some jacketed hollow points, Cellar and Balo. Oh, I'm sorry, right there. Some full metal jackets and my reloads. So we're going to get some shooting on at this Midwest Shooting Center target. First up, in the first shots of this Hi Point JXP 10mm is going to be the Cellar and Balo 180 grain full metal jackets. We're at about 10 yards. That's not as good as it used to be. We don't have a dot for this, so we're gonna give this a go around. Chamber flag out of it. Chamber around. Let's see how she shoots. Having issues already. I'm going to keep this in the video. We'll get the magazine knocked back. Sometimes you got to mess with the Hi Point magazines, but I got good feelings about it. Yep. I did not lube it or anything before we came. It's straight out of the box. So some oil may have fly out a little bit. May help it out. Yeah, I believe it's a little dry. There was all 10 rounds though. So we're going to load up some hollow full metal jackets, and we'll be right back. Next, I'll load up the Cellar and Balo 180 grain jacketed hollow points. Nice looking bullet, nice profile. Shoots great in my Smith & Wesson. I've only put 5 rounds in here. You get to go home, and there we go on the target. Fed them all just fine. Maybe this thing just needs a little more oomph than that Cellar and Balo factory stuff. That's not the best. We're going to load up some of my reloads now, and we'll go from there. Fed them all. Wow. You know, it's actually pretty soft. The trigger really stinks. I'm going to have to replace the trigger. Not happy with the trigger at all. It kind of hurts the digit a little bit. Maybe I'm not flat enough on it. Maybe I'm over on the edge a little further. But I'm going to change that out, and I'm going to fix that. Yeah. Well, I'm just going to run and gun and have some fun now. How about that? All right. I brought a couple boxes with me of my hand loads. So we're just going to run the hand loads through it because they seem to be the best ones. Stay tuned. Now we're going to try a 10+1. We're going to see if it'll feed with a full with one little chamber and a full magazine. There was my one in the chamber. Another one in the magazine. See how it goes in. Locked in, very nice. I got one in the chamber. So we're going to shoot at the bottom center target here and see how it goes. Fed all 11. Very impressed with this. Excellent, excellent firearm. Nice new styling. You can really feel that slide coming back, though. Let me tell you what. Man, that thing's like a chunk. But with some good ammo, it's reliable. I'm just going to blame that on the Seller and Balo. Being underpowered commercial 10mm ammo. My reloads, however, great. I'm going to bring the target in for you to look at, and then we'll take this back to the editing bench and send it to you. How about that? I really wasn't going for accuracy today because I've only got my everyday glasses on. I don't have my shooting glasses with me. But this is the Seller Balo full metal jacket. That's kind of nice. This is the jacket hollow points here, 10 rounds. These are my reloads. I put through, up through the same holes a few times. That's always good. And down there is just plinking with another 10 plus 1, 11 rounds. One in the chamber. Man, I'm just ripping that paper up with those 180 grain sluggers that I load. Man, these things are, these things can be meaners, that's for sure. Look at that. Got some nice zombie green on there. Yes. So, we're going to take a little more plinking time. And as I said before, go back to the editing bench and bring this back to you, my pupils. All right, everybody. This is Gene signing off, and always remember to keep blowing the smoke.